Hi everyone, I'm Adam Parker and I'm a lecturer at University College London. And today I'm going to be walking you through this poster on frequency and predictability effects for line final words. This work was really a collaborative effort between myself and Tim Slattery, and across two studies we looked to provide benchmark findings for future models of eye movement control during reading that look to simulate the reading of multi-line texts. So, computational models of eye movement control during reading have revolutionized the study of visual, perceptual, and linguistic processes underlying reading. However, these models can only simulate and test predictions about the reading of single line texts. And this is very different from natural reading. Natural reading involves us processing sentences that span multiple lines and paragraphs that span multiple pages. So here we report two studies that examined how placeholders for lexical processing, frequency and predictability, influence the processing of line final words to provide benchmark findings for future models of eye movement control. The first study was a linear mixed effects analysis of the Provo corpus, which included data for 84 readers reading 55 multi-line texts. The second study was a pre-registered eye movement experiment where 32 participants read 128 items where frequency, predictability, and position, so line final versus interline, were manipulated. Both studies were consistent in showing that reading times were shorter on line final words. This is for both single fixation duration and gaze duration. For the Provo corpus, there was mixed evidence for frequency and predictability effects. This is likely because of the highly correlated nature of variables entering analyses. We included word length, word frequency, and predictability as continuous measures that weren't controlled, and this might have led to spurious effects in our data. For our eye movement experiment, our experimental data confirmed additive effects of frequency and predictability for line final words, which did not differ from those observed intraline. So we conclude that while models that make additive assumptions about the role of frequency and predictability effects may be better suited to modeling the current findings, additional assumptions will be required if these models can truly model shorter reading times on line final words. Thanks for listening. I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you might have over email. Thanks.